Hello everyone, now again we are going to start with question number 5 of exercise 12.3 now. So just read out the statement. Temperature dropped 15 degrees Celsius in last 30 days. So temperature dropped in last 30 days is 15 degrees Celsius. So if the rate of temperature drop remains the same, how many degrees will the temperature drop in the last 10 days? So we need to find out the degree of temperature, so that's why we have written it to the right side. Okay, so we have to frame the statement like this. So temperature dropped in 1 day. Again, for 1 we have to divide. So remember, you have to divide this number by this. Okay, so 15 upon 30. So I am going to keep it as it is only. Then temperature dropped in 10 days will be multiply by 10 by what? Temperature dropped in 1 day, that is 15 upon 30, right? So now we can do the calculation. 0 can be cut with 0, 3 5s are, and we will get 5 degrees Celsius. So temperature dropped in 10 days will be 5 degrees Celsius. This is the answer line we need to write. Okay, now let's check the question number 6. So question number 6 says Shaina pays rupees 7500 as rent for 3 months. How much she has to pay for the whole year? Whole year means the 12 months. Okay, so if the rent per month remains the same, so we need to find out the rent. So rent paid for 3 months is rupees 7500. Rent for 1 month will be 7500 divided by 3 upon 3 or divided by 3, one and the same thing. So rent paid for the whole year. Whole year means we need to find out rent paid for the 12 months. So 1 month was this. So rupees 7500 upon 3 should be multiplied with 12, because this was what? This was the rent paid in 1 month. So this should be multiplied with 12. So now here we can do the calculations. 3 4s are 12 and 7500 into 4 we will get rupees 30,000. So therefore rent paid for the whole year will be rupees 30,000. We have to write down the answer line. Now again let's check question number 7. Cost of 4 dozen of bananas is rupees 60. And how much bananas can be purchased in rupees 12.50? So here first of all we have to convert 4 dozen into number of bananas. How many bananas are there? Okay, so 1 dozen is 12 bananas. So 4 dozen means 12 4s are 48 bananas. So we will consider this now instead of 4 dozen. Okay, so bananas purchased in rupees 60 are 4 dozen. 4 dozen means number of bananas are 48. Okay, so bananas purchased in rupee 1 will be what? This 48 divided by 60 rupees. Okay, here you need to take care of this thing. This number should be come in denominator. Okay, bananas purchased in rupees 12.50 will be what? This 48 upon 60. This was the purchased in rupee 1. So to find out purchased in 12.50 we have to multiply by 12.50, right? Now let's remove the decimal. If you will remove the decimal, upon here will come 100. Now just we can cut this 0 with this 0. 6 8s are 48. 125 and 100 I can cut it in table of 25. You can cut by 5 also, that's totally up to you. So here 25 4s are 100, 25 5s are 125, and 4 1s are 4 2s are 8. So you will get 2 5s are 10. So therefore number of bananas purchased in rupees 12.50 is 10. This is your answer. Now let's check question number 8. Weight of 72 books is 9 kg. What is the weight of 40 such books, right? So weight of 72 books is 9 kg. What will be weight of one book? It will be 9 upon 72. So just check, I have written this number in the denominator. I have not written 72 upon 9. It is 9 divided by 72. Okay. Now weight of 40 books will be, this was weight of one book, 9 upon 72 should be multiplied with 40. So again just check, 9 ones are 9, 8s are 72. Now in table of 8 we can cut 40 and 8. So 8 ones are 8 5s are. So here weight of 40 books will be 5 kilograms. So this is our answer. Now let's check question number 9. So a truck requires 108 liters of diesel for covering a distance of 594 kilometers, right? How much diesel will be required by the truck to cover a distance of 1650 kilometers? So again we need to find out the quantity of diesel. So here to the right side of equal to quantity of diesel should be there. Okay, so statement will be like this: diesel required to travel 594 kilometer, that is 108 liters. Okay, so diesel required to travel 1 kilometer will be what? 108 divided by 594. This is the diesel required to cover 1 kilometer. Okay, so diesel required to travel 1650 kilometer. 1 kilometer multiplied with 1650 kilometers, right? So let's do the calculation. We can cut this in table of 9. So 9 12s are, and here when you will cut in table of 9 we will get 66. Students, you can do this cutting on your own. Okay, it will be better for you to do this cutting on your own, but yes, your answer should be same. So you can cut in a way whenever whatever you like. Okay, so now again 12 and 66 I can cut it with table of 6. So 6 2s are and 6 11s are here. So now 1650 and 11 can be cut. So 11 ones are, and when you will cut it with the table of 11 you will get 150. So now the remaining is 2 and 150. So 2 multiplied by 150 will give me 300. So it means diesel required to travel 1650 kilometers is 300 liters. So students, don't forget to write down the answer line and don't forget to put the units. Okay, so this was question number 9. So till now we have covered question number 9 of exercise 12.3. Rest 2 questions will be done in the next video. Thank you and have a nice day. Do revise all these questions again and again.